Imagine this. You're sitting in your room, maybe after work or school, scrolling through your phone. Somewhere in another part of the world, someone just made $300 while having dinner with their family. No office, no boss watching over their shoulder. And here's the best part. They started with zero investment. This isn't a get-rich-quick story. This is the reality of 2025. The internet has changed everything. The way we shop, the way we work, and especially the way we earn money. In the past, starting a side hustle meant risking your savings or spending months learning complicated skills. But today, there are opportunities that beginners can start today without spending a single dollar. The only challenge? Knowing which ones are worth your time. And that's where I come in. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful, beginner-friendly side hustles you can start right now with zero investment. Not theory, not hype. Real-world strategies that are already working for people in 2025. 1. From ideas to income. The power of digital products. Picture this. You go to bed tonight and by the time you wake up tomorrow, you've made a sale. $10, maybe $20. And it happened while you were sleeping. You didn't pack any boxes. You didn't stand in a shop. You didn't even speak to a customer. You just sold a digital product, something a customer downloaded instantly from the internet. These can be printable planners, fitness trackers, resume templates, ebooks. Here's how to start. 1. Find a specific problem to solve. Don't just make a planner. Make a planner for busy moms or meal prep guide for students. 2. Use free design tools. Canva and Google Docs are beginner-friendly and free. 3. Sell on marketplaces. Upload your creations to Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market, platforms where buyers are already searching. Example: a student created a weekly meal planning template and listed it for $4.99 on Etsy. In the first week, she sold just 3 copies, but she didn't stop. She created more templates, fitness planners, budget sheets, and even wedding checklists. Within 3 months, she was earning over $200 a month, working less than 5 hours a week. 2. Becoming the voice of local businesses. Social media management. Every cafe, boutique, and beauty salon wants to look active on social media, but most owners simply don't have the time or the skills to post regularly. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you create posts, schedule them, and interact with followers on behalf of a business. Getting started is easier than you think. Offer your services to one local business for free for 1 week. Show them results, more likes, comments, or even customer visits. Then start charging $200, $500 per month. Example: one beginner helped a bakery by taking beautiful photos of their pastries and posting them on Instagram. Within 2 months, the bakery's followers doubled, and she was earning $400 a month managing their account. 3. Building communities. Online community management. Brands, influencers, and even small businesses often have Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, or Discord servers where their audience hangs out. But keeping these communities active takes time, and that's where online community managers come in. Your job is to welcome new members, moderate discussions, answer basic questions, keep conversations alive. The pay: many beginners earn $15-25 per hour. Where to find work? Freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Directly messaging small YouTubers, podcasters, or coaches who run active online groups but may not have time to manage them. This is perfect for friendly, communicative people who enjoy interacting online. 4. Editing voices. Podcast editing and content repurposing. Podcasts are booming in 2025, but most podcast hosts hate editing. It's time-consuming and technical. That's your opportunity. You can offer services like removing mistakes, cutting out awkward silences, reducing background noise, adding intro-outro music. Tools you can use for free: Audacity for audio editing, CapCut for creating short video clips from podcast content. Example: one beginner offered free editing to a small podcaster in exchange for a testimonial. That led to referrals, and within a few months she was earning $150 per episode. 5. Helping job seekers shine. Resume and LinkedIn optimization. In a competitive job market, first impressions matter. And for most people, their first impression comes from a resume or LinkedIn profile. Many job seekers don't know how to present themselves well. That's where you come in. You can design clean, professional resumes using Canva. Rewrite descriptions to sound stronger. Optimize LinkedIn profiles so they show up in recruiter searches. Where to offer this service? Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook job groups. Even charging $30, $50 per project can quickly add up to $500 or more per month. Here's the truth. You don't need to wait until you feel ready. The best time to start is today. Pick one side hustle from this list. Commit to it for the next 90 days. Learn, improve, and stay consistent. Before you know it, you'll have a skill set that not only earns you extra income, but could even replace your job someday. So see, which one are you going to start first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, tap like so YouTube knows to show it to more people. Don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make money online in 2025. Your journey to financial freedom starts now with one simple decision.